Hey everybody and welcome to my video. So today I am doing a Ted Baker bag unboxing and this was sent to me by Thomas Mitton. Thank you very much. So I'm going to do an unboxing review and I'm going to show you a few outfits that will go with the bag. If you enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe and comment videos that you'd like to see. And also thank you again for 1,000 subscribers. Let's get into the video. So the wrapping looks like this. It says Ted Baker and it looks like as if it was carrying oranges. So there's fresh produce there. So this is a sleeve and a box. Oh, look at my spilled paper cup. And underneath it's got this Ted Baker box. Like this, it's just plain brown. I love this box, I'm going to keep it in my bedroom. That's what the sleeve looks like. So inside the bag, it's got oranges on the side. And it's got a delivery note in it, so if you want to return the bag, which I will not be doing. And then it's got a little notice from the person at Ted Baker that sent it. And then it's got just some return instructions. And the actual bag is wrapped up in plastic and tissue paper. So I'll put that out. So it looks like this. So this is the back of the bag, this is the front. And this is what the bag looks like. Oh god, I love it. I absolutely love this bag, thank you very much. So it just goes over your shoulder like this. And inside it's just black. This is what the bag looks like up close. I'll take this flame. So the bag looks like this. It's black. It's got Ted Baker written in gold, and then it's got this lovely bow, which is black and white with the gold stamp on it again. This bag is £40. So now I'll show you all a few outfits that will go with the bag. So if I wanted to dress the bag up, I could wear my blazer over the top of a black blaze suit. So I have some shorts on underneath it, but it looks like a blazer dress. And this goes really well with my Ted Baker bag that goes over my shoulder. I could also wear it like this. Or like this. And it goes really well with my red heels because they are shiny PU material as well. This is what the bag looks like with my outfit. I can also dress it down with just denim shorts, a crop top and trainers. These shorts are from Urban Outfitters and our top is from Urban Outfitters. And I could wear the bag like this too. I I also think this bag would be perfect to go to the beach with because it's quite big, so you can fit a towel and a swimming costume in it. So this outfit for the beach would be perfect. And then if it got cold, I could wear that blazer over the top. This blazer is from Boohoo, by the way. Like this with my trainers. And then if I was going to a meal and it was quite casual, but you still want to look good, I could put my heels on it. Like this. So you have your Ted Baker bag and heels and your blazer, so it's appropriate for a meal. I could also wear this with my Zara jeans and my heels. I could also wear my vinyl leggings from Pretty Little Thing with this bag, as they're the same material, and wear these with my red heels. And I could also dress it up with a dress like this. Wear it over my shoulder. So sadly everybody, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you again to Thomas Mitton for sending me this lovely bag. I absolutely love it. Also, thank you again for 1,000 subscribers. I absolutely love you all. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe and comment videos that you'd like to see. I know you're already doing that and try my best to make all of the videos that you've been suggesting. My Instagram is EmilyMonks1 and my Snapchat is EMO112 and I respond to all messages. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.